Brighton have given his team, and not just Brighton.
To play in the 2-2 draw earlier in the season. The shot!
It's just a mix-up, not cleared. 24 seconds gone over to that far corner. Or start.
Toba. Ball in. He tries to bend one round. Infield. It's back by Salah. Adingra firing it. Salah with the effort.
That's certainly Mo Salah's side.
Stupiniani takes the kick. Gross with a kick. It's Alexis McAllister.
Liverpool. Really important. He's the
Brilliant ball. Salah. Good run from
Mo Salah.
Here's the chance again for Mo Salah.
He's got to punish them.
Lamptey coming back. Salah. And it came back off it.
Well, Liverpool. A clumsy clearance from Veltman.
Rubber stamp. Gordon, there was hesitation there.
I don't think he put the flag up. Maybe then he got.
Has done again here for Danny Welbeck.
Well, McAllister.
Through the middle they go, and it's
a Bosley. And it's the
combination between the two of them. Gross with the Luis Diaz. Bradley. Szoboszlai. McAllister.
Corner.
Right across Salah.
Did you see that?
Trying to
get his feet. He's looked a little bit clumsy.
Yes. And again, Darwin Núñez with a cross. McAllister, brilliant ball. Salah. It was the ball picked him out.
But then look at that class. Finds Mo Salah.
Szoboszlai. And again, Szoboszlai. Oh, that's good.
Just finds himself.
With the challenge, Salah looks for Diaz. Luis Diaz. Then it does. Well, he's already had a wrong
decision by the line.
He's in again. Mo Salah.
Those positions running.
Gross with a kick. Dunk is up there.
Should be offside, actually.
Luis Diaz deflected.